Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about grapefruit and the nutrition and health benefits of these interesting little fruits. We do know that grapefruits are an excellent source of vitamin C. That's kind of a given. We also know that they're high in vitamin A. They also supply a lot of pantothenic acid, copper, fiber, potassium, biotin, and vitamin B1. And not only are they high in those vitamins, but they also have a lot of phytonutrients that do provide some valuable health-promoting benefits. Eating grapefruits can help to support our immune system. The vitamin C that's in there, we know, is very important for helping to boost the immune system in our bodies. It can help to ward off colds and flu, and it also is known to have antioxidant properties, so it can fight off free radicals that are harmful molecules in our body. And by doing that, it helps to reduce our risk for cardiovascular disease, stroke, and also cancer. Now, red and pink grapefruits, this is one of those, not the white grapefruits, but the red and the pink ones are high in lycopene, and that's a type of a carotenoid. And we do know that lycopene has anti-tumor effects, so that also helps to fight free radicals in the body, which does prevent some inflammation and again helps to reduce our risk for cardiovascular disease and also cancer. Grapefruits are also high in what we call liminoids, and these compounds are interesting in that they help to spark the liver to detoxify toxic compounds that are in the body so that they can be released from the body easier through the liver. So by doing that, it does help to reduce our risk for certain cancers, particularly cancer of the mouth, skin, lung, breast, stomach, and colon. Grapefruit can also help to lower our cholesterol. Now, researchers have found that all grapefruits have this benefit. However, red and pink grapefruits have a higher propensity toward lowering our cholesterol than do the white grapefruits. And they found that people who added grapefruit to their diet for 1 month had lowered LDL cholesterol than what they did to start with. And now again, they found that red grapefruits have greater benefit in this than do the white grapefruit because they have more of these specific compounds in them that provide that benefit. It is important to note here that compounds in grapefruit are known to increase the blood levels of specific prescription drugs, particularly statins. So if you take a statin drug, you fall in that category. Before you start ingesting gobs of grapefruits, you might want to have your levels of those medications checked and monitored a little bit to make sure that you're still within the reasonable level that you need to be for your particular health condition. So you might want to have that monitored. Adding 1 grapefruit a day is probably not going to create any big issue, but it doesn't hurt to check with your healthcare provider just to be on the safe side. There's compounds in grapefruit that have also been found to help repair damaged DNA. The older we get, the more our cells have had to reproduce, and each time they reproduce, the chance for damaged DNA increases. There are compounds in grapefruit that have been shown to help repair damaged DNA, and by doing this, it can help to reduce our risk for cancer. So no harm including grapefruit in your diet whenever you possibly can to help reverse some of that damage, no matter what age you are. Well, I do hope this helps. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.